I'm here with my friend Abhishek. Bro.
Hello everyone.
Yes guys, we went for trekking in this beautiful place. The name of this place is Mausit Khnam. It's around I think 20 kilometers from Shillong, right? So guys, it's gonna be a good day for us. So let's see. So guys, after a short trekking we feel thirsty and also we are going to have some fruits. Like I brought some lemon. What's इसमें कर लेगा ना भाई?
हाँ कर लेगा.
So guys, I have cut this lemon into pieces. Now I'm going to mix it with salt and here is chili powder. So let's make it together and then we are good to go, right? So डालो भाई. और नमक डालो.
डाल रहा हूँ ना bro. थोड़ा बैंड बजाएगा तो.
Guys, let's talk about this cool mint hair oils from Wow Skin Science Company. I used to scrub my head every day with this oil, especially before taking a bath. It's helped me to feel cool, calm and relaxing, and also I really love the smell of this oil. So guys, the best thing about this oil, it was made from natural ingredients which has no harmful chemicals effects. So make sure you check it out. The link is right there in the description. My first try, bro. अरे भाई पनीर है इसमें.
पीले.
और खा लो. Last भाई, last. Come on man, come on, you can do it. Last खा लो. इतना मजा आएगा भाई. हाँ, इधर देख. कैसे लग रहा?
मजा आ रहा है.
मजा आएगा भाई. देखा तो इसमें पानी आ रहा है, देख.
इसमें
देख रहा है?
हाँ.
इसको ऐसे करके, ठीक है?
हाँ. पीले.
मजा आएगा यार.
खत्म हो गया पानी लाना.
अरे भाई क्या किया ओए? ओ क्या किया ओए? अरे भाई अभिषेक इसे मत करो भाई, छोड़ो. पानी उधर है यार, उधर ले लो पानी. ओए मजा आएगा ना मगर. So guys, we feel hungry, huh? We didn't eat anything for a whole day, so this is the best thing for us, huh? I think Maggie is the best choice. Hey, can I Abhishek bhai?
Yeah, bro.
Come a little bit close, man. Oh. Ah, yes. गर्मी है भाई. कितना? 2 काफी है.
बनाना और बनाना.
इसके साथ 3. वाई वाई के साथ ना.
कॉकटेल खा देगा. क्या क्या मैगी है?
ओ, नमक भी डालना है ना थोड़ा.
डाल दे थोड़ा सा डालना मत.
और एक मिर्ची.
डाल दे हमारा मैगी बनने वाला है बेटा. अभी भी टेस्ट नहीं किया उसका.